Hello designers, in this video, we're going to create an eye-catching flash flicker text animation in After Effects. First, grab the text tool and type in your chosen text. Customize the font, size, and any other adjustments you need to get your text just right. Once you're satisfied with the setup, head to the text layer's properties, go to Animate and select Opacity. Set the opacity to 0 to make your text invisible initially. Next, look for the range selector and select Add. Under this, go to Selector and choose Wiggly. Now, navigate to Wiggly Selector 1. Adjust the values here to control the intensity of the flicker effect. A lower value will give a more subtle flash, while a higher value will create a stronger, faster flicker. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs for more design tips.